Ubiquiti has released a new Unify Protect application version 4.1.50 which added a tons of new features. So let's take a look into it. So this is the Unify Protect application 4.1.50 which adds a tons of new features. So in this video we will see specific features like archiving a footage to NAS and the alarm manager and the new shortcuts which got added. So here you will see the Unify Protect application 4.1.50 adds alarm manager, ability to archive footage to your NAS. Under the improvement you can see added alarm manager, added the ability to archive footage to CIFS SMB server NAS. Previously, there was only options to archive footage either on the Google Drive account or the Microsoft OneDrive, but now you can use the NAS server to archive your footage, and you can unlock access during using the shortcut features. Like on the shortcut, you can set the door unlock access. You can one click unlock the door access, and it added the options to customize the chime ringtone. The chime firmware version should be on 1.7.10 or newer, so you can customize the ringtone. And it added an option for the UPSense to log the connection to a specific access point. So we will see all the new features which got added. So right now I have a UDM Pro running a Unify Protect application 4.1.50, and I have the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus running Protect application 4.1.50. So first we'll go ahead and check the archive of your footage to the NAS server. So you have to go to the settings of the Unify Protect, and you have to click on archiving accounts, and you have to click on OneDrive is already, Google Drive is already added, and I can either add OneDrive or NAS. So we'll look for the NAS, and I will set the IP address 192.168.1.213, and I will use the username and password. So here I will connect, and it will ask me the storage, the drive. So I will choose the NAS and I will confirm. So you can see the archiving account for the NAS server has been added. So now we'll go to the playback, and we will choose the camera which we want to archive. So this is one of my camera outside, so I've just set on a temporary basis. So here you will see the arrow icon for download, so click on archiving, and here you can use the times, like what time you want to archive the footage. So you can just use this, you can toggle this, and you can move this trigger, and you can set, or you can set the timing here like 15:30 to 15:57. so you can archive. So I will click on archive. Even you can set the time lapse if you want a time lapse of that footage. So I will click on archive. So you can see here its G4 instant camera is preparing an archiving clip to the drive. So it has been added to the drive. I can show you. You can see the, let me connect to the, sorry, I'm connecting to the server so I can show you. So you can see this is my NAS folder. In the Unify folder you will see here, and under that you will see the Unify footage has been added. So you can see this footage has been added. It is loading, give it some time. So you can see this is how similarly you can archive your Google Drive, I mean the Unify Protect footage on a NAS server. Second features we will check on the Unify Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus, where I have the shortcuts feature I can show you. So I have the unified door access on that, so I can show you. So first I will go ahead and check the alarm manager. So you can get an alarm here. I can give the alarm as alarm. Okay, here you can set the definition, the trigger. So you can select a motion, because right now I'm just using the Unify G3 cameras, which does not have a AI detection, so I can choose this option. But you get a lots of options like person, vehicle, animal, package. So I can set the speaking, baby crying, barking, alarm. You can set tons of options like burglar, siren, glass breakage, car horn. And under the recognition, you can set the known faces, unknown faces, people of interest, unknown license plate, known license plate, vehicle of interest. This all is useful when you are using the new Unify cameras like the G5 detection features. And here you can use for the door. If you're using a doorbell, you can set those doorbell rings, sense flow battery, sense leaking, alarm detected. You can save it. And here you can choose the target, all devices. You can edit, and you can set the cameras, so you can save it. And here is the schedule, and here you can set the notifications. So either you can send a notification, or you can use unlock or door lock. So first I will use the unlock and door lock, and I will select the location, and I will add an action. The other action, I will send a notification to all admin, and I will use other action. I will click on webhook, and I will choose the Slack post, or these all features I can use, but I can customize that later. So at the moment I will just use this, the send notification to all admins and unlock door. So I will create that. After you create that, you will see here the options for unlocking door is available. So just to test, I will go to the Unify door access. See the camera, by seeing in the camera, the door will be accessed. You can see the door has been unlocked. I just look at the camera. So this is a pretty good features. You can use unlock the cameras using shortcut, the trigger footage. So after that, we'll see about the shortcut features which got added in the new Unify Protect application. To check the shortcut features, you have to go to the playback, and this is the camera I have added on the door access. So from here you can create a shortcut or hide a shortcut. So if you edit the shortcut, you can click and you can remove the camera, and you can save it now. But I will add a shortcut again, and I will link to the access location, and I will use the office door. So I can unlock the door access from just one click. I will save it. So you can see I can unlock the button from here. So this feature is pretty good, and as you can see, you can just unlock using shortcut, or you can just unlock by seeing here, because I have triggered an alarm here. So it will see the target devices I have choose. So just by seeing on the cameras, unlock the door. And even you can see the notifications which I am getting on the admin. So right now you can see on this tab I'm getting tons of email notifications. So the email, like the test alarm, like the unlocking and door gate, and the notification is working. So you can use these all features. This all settings you can use with the new Unify Protect application. So we have seen the archiving the footage to the NAS first, and then we have seen the alarm manager. You can create alarm, and you can set a trigger, like for door unlocking. You can use that features, or you can set the custom notifications to your Slack or any webhook URL. And you can add a shortcut like I have shown you, like you can add a shortcut and you can link to your door access. So from one click you can just unlock the door, and by seeing you can use all those features, and you can archive the footage from here. Like you can use the timeline, what timeline you want to archive, and you can archive the footage to the NAS server. So this is pretty good features you see in the new Unify Protect applications. So there are tons of other features which I have to test, but for this video specific I have used the NAS topic. Like you can archive your footage to NAS. You can use the shortcut options, like on the Unify Protect cameras, how you can use the shortcut, and within the shortcut one click you can unlock your door, or you can set the trigger alarm. So you can by looking in the Unify cameras, which is used for the door access. You can unlock the door. So these all features has been improved the unified product application on a new level, so you can try that on your network. So right now the version 4.1.50 is a release candidate, so you can use, and it will be released soon as a stable. So I hope I have covered all the topic for this video. And if you have any questions, you can comment down your questions, and if you have anything to ask, you can just let me know on the comments. And if you haven't followed my channel, you can subscribe to it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.